This is the Foras Larch Bird Feeder. The colour is Burberry Fog, which is a really nice contemporary colour. Screw fitting in the top, so you undo it from the top here. Remove the lid. I've devised a little bottle here with the cup and the top and the funnel to use as a filler. Hold your finger over the end just to prevent the seed coming out till you're ready. Fill the feeder. Pop the lid back on. Make sure you get it over the thread. Threads come out the top, and there's brass fitting in the top. Stainless steel threads, so you won't get any rusting. Pop that back on there. Rotate it round until it tightens up, and you're ready to hang it in your tree.